Good morning, all. Once again, good morning. So, first, I'm delighted to be here before you all this fine morning, and there's a wonderful opportunity for me to go ahead with the time that is allotted to me to speak a few words about. And first, on my behalf, right, please clap for Sri Gampa Nageshwara Garu for hosting a wonderful session. Thank you very much. Sir, hats off to you, sir, for giving me a wonderful dais and the people to listen to. And before going to get into a few words, the topic I am asked to talk about today is English language. Nageshwara Garu asked me, Chiranjeevi, you have to come and address. I asked, sir, there are so many eminent personalities over there to speak on. What should I speak in personality? Because it is not the first year, for so many years it has been going on, and so many people have been delivering wonderful lecture all over. I know that there are so many people who have been regularly part and parcel of this impact program. So what is the new thing that I have to speak over? Then is that, no Chiranjeevi, no need of talking about personality development. There are so many lectures on that. Just you speak about English language, how to learn. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలో మీరు మాట్లాడండి సార్, సరిపోతుంది, పర్సనాలిటీ ఎక్కర్లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఈరోజు మ్యాక్సిమం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ జస్ట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ద స్కిల్స్ ఇన్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, దట్ ఈస్ పర్టికులర్లీ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో యాజ్ ఐ నో వై హీ ఇన్వైటెడ్ మీ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దిస్ సెషన్, పర్టికులర్లీ టు టాక్ ఆన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ గురించే మాట్లాడమంటే ఇట్స్ అన్ ఓషన్. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ నేను చెప్పాలనుకోవట్లేదు, బట్ వెరీ ఫ్యూ థింగ్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డ్యూరింగ్ ది లాస్ట్ 21 years ఆఫ్ మై టీచింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ ద యంగ్స్టర్స్ హూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్. Nowadays, you know very well, like wherever you go, whenever it is, whatever it is, irrespective of the nature of the field, if you attend any interview, you are selected or rejected only based on the communication skills that you have. That's a known fact. 30% your academic record is considered, but 70% you will be selected or rejected only based on the communication skills that you have. There are so many students who spend a lot of time to acquire all the academic subjects, I can say. They spend days together, months together, years together. They acquire 70%, 80%, 85%, 90%. They spend a lot of money and time too. But finally, when they go to the interview because of a single reason, just you are weak in communication, they say this and you will be rejected. It is a fact that today, the newspapers you might have read, ఈ మధ్య న్యూస్ పేపర్స్లో మీరు చదివి ఉంటారు, the presidents of various like multinational companies. Before going to start, a few words, like let me ask, how many of you are bachelors in this? Could you raise your hands, please? Okay, fine. How many of you are eligible bachelors? Raise your hands. Eligible for marriage? ఏ విషయంలో డౌట్ ఉన్నా మీకు ఈ విషయంలో డౌట్ ఉండకూడదు. Singers should be clear enough. Right. How many of you are eligible bachelors? Clap with the two hands. Wow, thank you. Almost all of you. Wonderful.